So I recently got sent out this tub and tile paint, and basically you can touch up any spots on your porcelain with this that have been discolored. Or in my case, I put epoxy on the tile back there and I did miss a couple spots in the grout lines. So today I'm actually going to be using this to see if we could fix some of those cracks in the grout. So hopefully this will help you understand what I'm talking about. As you guys can see, this was just an area that I missed when rolling on the epoxy. Instead, that's what we should be seeing. So I'm gonna see if we could fill in that grout line and make it look just a little bit cleaner. And we do get a really small user guide right here. So the first step, we need to clean the area that we're gonna be repairing. Then we're gonna shake the bottle for 1 minute to let the formula mix. Then we're gonna apply several thin coats, and then we're gonna let it dry for 24 hours to fully cure. It comes in a really small container, kind of like nail polish. So we're gonna go ahead and shake this up. All right, so just as a reminder, this is where we will be applying the actual touch-up paint. So it is drying right now, so I'm gonna wait just 1 more minute here because I just cleaned it, and this is all shaken up. So we're basically ready to go ahead and apply this. So here's what the brush is gonna look like, and it's just big enough that we could simply slide this in that groove, cover up some of these spots that we missed. Now just remember, they did say that it's gonna work better if we just do several small layers versus one large layer. And honestly, this even smells very similar to nail polish. But luckily it doesn't smell near as bad as doing the actual whole epoxy on the bathroom tile. It's much easier to deal with. All right, and just like that, that spot that I missed doing the epoxy on the tile is almost non-existent. So this seemed to do a really good job at actually covering up that area. And since it was also a gloss white, it matched the tile here perfectly. So really happy with the product. You guys could use this on so much more. And next up, I'm probably gonna be using this on the sink right here where I have some areas that I've got scratched. So if you guys are looking for some tub and tile touch-up paint, you guys definitely should look into this product. It seems to work really well. It was really easy to apply, and most importantly, matches all of the white in my bathroom. So anyways, that's it for my really quick test.